my short and long-term goals with English. Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, I want to share with you my short and long-term goals with English because I believe that it's important to have clear objectives in order to stay motivated and make progress step by step. First, my short-term goal. My main goal right now is improve my pronunciation and expand my basic vocabulary. I practice every day with audios, videos, and the Oxford Dictionary to learn how to pronounce words correctly in both British and American English. Um, I also want to overcome my fear of speaking, even if I make mistakes. That's why I'm recording videos like this one to help myself become more confident little by little. Another short-term goal is to better understand simple dialogues, whether in songs, movies, or everyday conversations. Uh, and now my long-term goals. Uh, I'd love to reach intermediate or advanced level that allows me to have fluent conversation with native speakers without depending on translations. I also want to read full books in English without having to look up every word. Um, and of course, one of my dreams is to travel to many places and feel comfortable using English for everything, ordering food, asking for direction, making friends, and fully enjoying the experience. Thank you for joining me in this journey. See you in the next video.